Wandering said, do you think someone who is a believer, baptized, saved, but doesn't share the gospel, do you think they're still saved? Yeah, of course. Because it's not about, again, earning our salvation. We do those things that we're called to do because we've been saved. One way I say it so often is that we're not saved because we act like a Christian. We act like a Christian because we've been saved. So should we be out fulfilling the Great Commission, sharing the gospel? Yes, absolutely. If you're not, are you going to, be kicked out of the kingdom or something? No, that's not the way that works. But that also doesn't mean, oh, okay, well then I don't need to do it. No, we do. But see, we should want to. It's kind of like if any married man watching can relate to this, where no one wants to take out trash or do the dishes or vacuum or, something like that. But it's like a classic conversation. I just pick on the guys here because I am one, where your wife will say something to the effect of, I want you to want to do the dishes. And you say, nobody wants to do the dishes. But it should be a natural desire. It should be something that we genuinely want to do, is to do what we've been called to do. And if we're truly saved and born again, we're a new creation on the inside. We will, our nature, our desires, all those things will change. We will want to go share the gospel, not because we want to please God or check off a box, but because I know what I've been saved from. And I see other people as souls, as people in need of salvation. I want them to experience the same freedom and love and mercy and grace that I live in. I want them to experience that. So it's again, it's not because you're forced to or something. It's because your desires change. I'm 100% going backwards. 1,000%.